I just left the bank to finalize the loan and pick up the keys. Here it is. The future S10 Life headquarters. Blacktop parking lot. 2 bay doors. 52 foot by 90 foot in size. Comes with 2.3 acres. Counting the building. All right, I'm gonna show you guys in there, but I want you to understand that this is a fixer-upper. This is not no perfect move in tomorrow and start selling stuff kind of place. It's gonna take some time to fix this up, but it won't take very long to at least get in here and be able to sell used parts. It's got some sealed off rooms right here. Big massive window right there. I don't know the entire story on it. I will get more. But right now this place doesn't have any electricity. Man, that's in rough shape. Check it out, guys. Yeah, no electricity. Looks like they used some old barn wood to line this with in here. And honestly, it kind of looks good, but it's very rough and there's gaps in it. And that's probably not going to work for us. So we might be able to take these boards down and use them for construction. Let me go show you guys the rest of it. So this would be the start of what would be a office or storefront or living quarters area. This wall right here is most likely getting torn down immediately because look how much space that takes up. All right. We've also got one more closed off room right here. This is the, as far as I understand, like the storm shelter room. We'll probably put something on top of it to make it to where if anything was falling down, it wouldn't land on anybody. Anyways, storm shelter, storage closet kind of thing. Here is the other bay door. This is a sliding door. Nothing fancy. Check this place out. Can you guys tell how big this place is? I'm gonna put my back up against this wall right here. Check it out. And if that wall was tore down, it would look so much bigger. Man, I can't wait. This is exciting. Used to have some sort of heat and air. Some people spray painted in here. Got some plywood right there. You're gonna be able to make some shelves. Spot for an old wood stove. This is it. This is the new S10 Life headquarters. All right, check it out. Putting my back up against this wall in this corner. Dude, look how big this place is. It's huge. For what I have been used to, you guys don't even understand how big this is. Look, it's all concrete, gang. All concrete. I have worked almost my whole S10 Life career on the dirt and gravel up until a year ago. And now, this year, here we go. Hard work's paying off. You guys need to drop some comments below and let me know if you've got any ideas for this place. Things I should do to make it better and whatnot. The biggest problem is the ceilings are so low in here. They're like 8-foot ceilings. But look how high the rafters are up in there. We could probably find a spot in here to redo the rafters and make a lift work in here because the ceilings are just too low to have one right now. No bathroom, no water, no electric, no living essentials. But it's ours. And it's the future. Got a set of skis in this mug. What is that? What is that, water skis or something? Yeah. All kinds of chairs and tables and mirrors and filing cabinets. All kinds of stuff down here. Uh-oh, looking like we got a water leak back in there. That's gonna have to be fixed. Yep, I see daylight down there. You guys see that? Let's look for any leaks while we're in here, huh? This is actually coming from the door because the door doesn't seal too good. So no big deal there. I can fix that. Looks like same thing right here. The door's just not sealing good. I can fix that. Man, that's a little bit rough there. Got plywood, some 2x4s and 2x6s, some even 2x8s and 2x10s over there. So we've got all kinds of wood to be working with to make this place awesome. Plus, this wall is coming down all through here to open this place up to fit as many vehicles in here, as much space as possible, as many parts in here, yada, yada, yada. Let me show you guys how big it is up there. Essentially, we could like turn this place into a 2-story building. Absolutely, we could. But the rafters are spaced so far apart that we really have to put in a ton of work because it's just nothing fancy holding it. Here is a view of the side of the building. Now you can really get an idea of how tall it is and how wide it is. This is a very wide building. That's 52 feet right there. I don't exactly know how many feet tall that is, but probably like 16 or 18 feet tall. Pretty tall. Got another concrete pad out here. Freaking sweet. Also, there is a home behind here. This is not on the same property. Supposedly, like, the property line is right here at the back of my building. So I'm going to be taking down every one of these trees as fast as I can, and I will show you the reason why. Not only does it destroy your foundation down there, but it'll grow into the side of the building and cause major damage there too. And there's probably already major damage down through here where it's growing into the side of the building. All down through there. Here's some of the property. It's a very grown-up property, but it's very big, and I will most likely be able to store plenty of parts vehicles and more out there. The only problem is, like, it's nice right here, and then it just drops off and goes into grown-up areas. I've got the doors open now, so there should be the most amount of light in there to where you can see how big it is, how messy it is, what kind of junk's in here. Just get an idea of it more. Finally opened the bay door, and it didn't give me any trouble. Opened right up. From right here, all the way through here, all the way through here, all the way will be open and clear. Not exactly sure why they had this wall going on right here, but that doesn't matter. We're gonna take it out and we're gonna have tons of room for activities. This place is a wiring nightmare. They had some sort of security system or something going on right here, because there must have been something here and they just cut all the wires to it and took it out. But these wires are going all over the place, so I'm kind of guessing those are cameras or sensors of some sort.
Oh man, that's an old one.
Oh, take a video of me too.
We're about to turn this place into something. Ready to do some work, Mom?
Yep.
All right, Evelyn, you ready to do some work?
Yeah, you like my own butter knife?
Yeah, I like your own butter knife. Got the trailer mostly full already. Let's go see how it's looking now. We're getting there, gang. So far, we put everything over here that seems like it might be either halfway valuable or halfway useful. We're not done moving everything over there yet, but we're getting there. Get moisture on it.
No, I think it just maybe in the sun.
Well, everybody's waiting for you to do a kickflip, so. Woo! Got it pretty clean now, don't we?
Yeah.
Bunch of junk. So everything that you still see right there is good, or at least halfway good stuff that we still need to go through, see what we'll use, see what we'll sell, see what we'll throw away. Got most things out of this room now. Still got a bunch of totes to go through, see if any of those are good, because we could use those. I don't even know if we cleaned this room out. No, we still gotta clean out the storm shelter too. I forgot about that.
Me too.
Check it out. Looking good, huh, Evers? Now let's walk around and show them the rest of it. Plenty of wood to still go through.
That we can use with.
What?
We can use the wood.
Yes, we can. But yeah, there it is. Couple hours worth of cleaning and we got this place looking pretty spiffy. A lot more to do, but we're getting there. For sale.
Mint condition.
Lightly used. Look at that unopened blank music recording cassette tape from Fuji. Let's see if it's got a date. It says manufactured, custom manufactured in the Republic of Korea. How neat is that? Let's also show them this while we're here. 1982 limited edition Pizza Hut Collector's Series E.T. the Extraterrestrial. We are done for the day. We have essentially got all the garbage out of here. Moved all of the good stuff. Cleaned things up a little bit. It's looking good in here. All right, let's lock her up, boys.
Bye.
There it is, day one done.
There's a Lamborghini. I should have filmed.